We'll start with the series connection tutorial first. First, use a power cable to connect the positive terminal of one battery to the negative terminal of the other. Then attach the Anderson connector power cable, as shown in the video. This way, you'll get a high voltage 48 volts to AH battery. Let's check if this works. Perfect, it's a success. Next up is the parallel connection tutorial. First, connect the positive terminals to each other and the negative terminals to each other. This way, we'll get a 24 volts for AH battery. Let's test if it works properly. Alright, it's running as it should.